Hey guys, Team Super Dope here. So yeah, so the next video is I'm gonna be cracking open. I went to my local card shop, I bought a box of 25th anniversary Rarity Collection. I got so caught up in the nostalgia of looking over my old cards and old collection from my good friend Daniel's collection. I was like, hey, for old times, let's crack open the latest product, hype product of the Konami or hype product of Yu-Gi-Oh. So yeah, just look at me a lot of cards that I don't know, but they're become kind of cards that, I don't know we're looking for quarter century rares. So that'll probably be the chase card, and then this will be fun to crack open the box. So there you go. I haven't cracked open a box in like, oh man, I think my last played in 2012, so about 10 years since I opened a box of Yu-Gi-Oh. As you guys see in my last video, this is my stuff to sell on eBay and stuff to grade. So check it out, see how we do. So we're gonna make some money from eBay to get this grade, and then get that money and use that money to grade our cards. So it'll be fun. All right. Let's do this. Alright. Oh, there's a Starlight card. Alright. Let's hold that for we like to slow roll things here. So there's a quarter century right there. So yeah, so I haven't opened a lot of cards and a lot of cool and new things like pendulum summons. I haven't been really looking at pendulum summons. Old Dragon, Junk Speeder, the Lightning Storm. Heard about this card. Brown on the floor, and Sling. I'll put this here. Super. And Secret. And then the Ultimate. Alright. I like it. What's good about this is that, yeah, for people who want to come back into the game like me, or like, there's a lot of new people coming to the game. Nice to have a set that brings back a lot of cards that you can. Dimension Shifter, like my Unicorn. I heard this is a popular card. And Thief. Remember when packs used to be just one super rare or a bunch of rares? Tour guide. Oops. Inspector Border. Ooh. Ash Blossom. Okay, I know that's a good card. Salvage Dragon, Barrel Lord, Salvage Dragon, and oh, this is an ultimate rare. That's a special rarity. And then the Joyous is also. It's a high gloss. Well, that's what rarity this is called, but it's really nice if the card pops out. So, what is this called? Let me see. What rarity is this called? It's called. Oh, there's no rarity in this thing. Oh, yeah. Very cool. Alright. Small World. Flower Blossom Secret. And we got a Striker Dragon, Lava Golem, and a Blow Savage Dragon. Darklaw, if I were to come back, this probably do a hero deck. I used to love heroes back in the day. A Dear Servant. Super, Secret. Time Thief Redoer. Ultra. And Fallen of Albaz, and a Pot of Prosperity. Very cool. Oh, there's our second quarter century, I believe. Where's that? Or is, no, that's not. So that's, yeah, that is. One Flower Blossom, Lava Golem, Artemis, the Moon Maiden. It's a different one. This is like a different rarity. Put that there. And then Galaxy Ice Full Armored Photon Dragon. That's an amazing name. Again, I was back in the day. I don't think, yeah, I think I ended on, I think it was, what was that format? It was Inzectors and Wind-Ups right before Dragon Ruler, so that was the last time I played. Alright, Change of Heart, Time Thief Redoer, Secret, Summon Limit, Super, Ultra, Predator Plant, Super, Cherubim. I guess this is a super. So I guess I'll put that here. And then I could move this Artemis there. Oops. Everything's falling down. No. Alright. Triple Tactics. Ice Dragon. That's another. A different type of secret rare. Of Atlasia, Magician Salvation, and Eldic. Right side almost done. Left side. Sorcery. Hey, remember this was a big card, being a super evenly matched. Pot of Desires. It's ultimate. Ultra. The Biru, heard this was a big card too. Again, Tribaler. Man, again, back in the day, this used to be a big card too. It's like a $30 card. Now it's playing. Blackwing Scene. Predator Plant. Oh, Massacre Dark Law. So cool. And you see through. Alright, one more pack on the right side. Left. Most of the stuff will go back on eBay. It's kind of just wanted to open for nostalgia purposes. Dogma. Ecclesia. Secret. Blackwing. Smooth. Ice Barrier. Herald of Arclight. Alright. I think I've never seen like Droplet. Droplet's a big card. Other things. Sphere. Harpy's Featherstorm. Tour Guide. Ultra. And another Sphere. Yeah. Oh, is the same? No. Same card. Oh no, Super. Yeah. You get Supers and Ultras in this thing. Cute. Alright. Well, that's something. I don't know what it is. Starlight? Oh, let's hold it. I don't know what that is. I get ready. Let's go with all that stuff. Oh, there's another one. Nice and shiny, another blue one. I guess that's close it there too. Oh, Starlight. Alright. Hey, it's all the hits on the left side. Cool. Once you get quarter centuries, you get here like 2 or 3. We hit 2 so far. So, Egyptian Knots Line, Change of Heart Secret, Small World, Fusion Hero Ferris. Yeah, I can probably build a Blue Eyes. This dragon. Probably can build a what was called again? Hero Dex. That's pretty fun. Casual player. Alright. Alpha Master of the Beast. Compulsory Secret. Will change your heart. Oh, this is the Reese one again. Oh, good. Oh, no. Comes off. Change your heart. Cool. That's sparkle thing. Cherubim, Angel Burning Abyss. And win. Nightmare Unicorn. Sphere. There you go. Got one droplet. Yay! Just Golden Dragon and Cold Talker. Converted. I had to go read these and see how much more different the game was. And I used to play in 15, 20 years. Another Ash Blossom, cool. Oh, there's our last Starlight. Quarter Century. We got 3. Alright. It'll be fun to open the last 3. I've opened these 2 and then we'll open these 3 last. Can we get a 4th one? I highly doubt it, but I can hope. Lava Golem, Striker Dragon. Rarity Fusion, Pot of Extravagance, and Nightmare Unicorn. Alright. 2 more. 3 more packs. Alright, reinforcements. Isu, the Orchestra of the Evening Star. Hey, first Imperm. Nice. Alright, that's a good card team. Reasoning and Lightning Storm. Hey, almost got a piece of Lightning Storms. Heard that was, yeah. That was like a Starlight Rare to be super expensive. Alright, oh yeah, it's that card in the back again. So, now let's go for it. Oh, Imperm. So, yeah. Almost a play set of Impermanence. Oh, there it is. Speaking of play set of Impermanence, I got an Ultra, Super, and a Secret. Isn't that fun? Nightmare Unicorn. Try Brigade Revolt. Oh, this is the Sparkle one. Very cool. And Ice Dragon Prison. Alright, last pack before we get to Recap. Thanks you guys for watching. This has been fun. Alright, Junk Speeder. Ooh, this is cool. And like a little bit different secret effect mailer. Fossil Dig, Junk Speeder, Super Ultra, and a Fairy Tale Luna. Ooh. Alright, let me clean up my piles. So, how do you think I did? Did I alright? Yes, no, maybe so. Write down in the comments how I did. Again, see a lot more Yu-Gi-Oh content. I'm gonna be a lot of stuff coming up for Yu-Gi-Oh. Maybe brush some of boxes as well. Alright, let's go with the first one. Magicalized Fusion. Super rare. Oh, by the Grave. Secrets. Decode Tarker Heart Soul. And this is the, I don't know what rare it is, but it's like a very shiny. Ooh. Man, really pops out there. Cool. And then Chaos Space and another Heart Soul. Oh yeah, I really like that you can get like a really special kind and a super. And then, you know, if all your players to play out there, give it to some kids who are not learning how to play. That's how I did. Artemis, Super. Danger, Jackalope. Question mark? So fun. Okay, this is an Eldritch. And this is the Lava Golem. And pretty cool. There's like an embossment to it. And then Iris, Sword Soul. Alright. On to the 3. Let's go to the first one. Ash Blossom. Super. Ooh. Cherubim from the Burning Abyss. I don't know if this is a good hit or not, but looks pretty. The Ecclesia the Victorious, man. To Wildflower Blossom. So, Lancia. I think I didn't see that one. I think this is like this was a trap card. So, there we go. Down Magician. Fallen of, oh, this is not a Starlight. I mean, the Core Century. Darn it. I thought I hit the Core Century. Oh no, it's in the back here. Wow, that's weird. But this is the Fallen of Albaz. That's the other sparkle. Summon Limit. And then Ardroff. And this is, oh, a Summon Limit. Summon Limit. I played that back in the day. Alright, last pack. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, let's scoot that card over to the back. Alright. Borosword Savage Dragon, Ultra. Max, Aeromax, Ultra. Ghost Spell. Reasoning. And Alpine Master of Beasts. Oh, okay. Nothing too crazy, I think. I don't think this is a big card, but this is... Oh wow, I didn't notice that. That's the Quarter Century. It's a little thing there. Cool. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Cool fun. Cool break. Alright. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'll get to you more new content in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.